Small in size, powerful in performance, mini PCs have quietly become the heroes of modern workspaces. But have you ever wondered how such a compact machine is made? Today, we're diving deep into the creation of a mini PC, from idea to execution. From circuit to casing, let's uncover the meticulous craftsmanship behind this tiny titan of tech. Step 1. A brief history. The birth of mini computing. The idea of a compact computer isn't new. Back in 1981, IBM launched the very first personal computer. But the journey to miniaturization truly began in the early 2000s. In 2001, VIA Technologies, a Taiwanese company, introduced the Mini ITX motherboard, a game-changing 17 by 17 cm design that laid the foundation for modern mini PCs. Intel, Asus, Zotac, and Gigabyte soon followed, each pushing the limits of how small and powerful a PC could be. By 2023, the global mini PC market had reached over $14 billion, growing at more than 7.5% annually, a clear sign that small machines were making a big impact. Step 2. Design a war against space. Every mini PC begins with a challenge: how to fit the heart of a full desktop into a case smaller than a showbox. Engineers use precise CAD models to simulate airflow, thermal distribution, and cable routing, all in a space barely large enough to hold a sandwich. It's like solving a high-stakes 3D puzzle. Each millimeter counts. Miss the airflow path by even a centimeter, and your PC could overheat. Forget one screw hole, and the motherboard won't even fit. That's why designing a mini PC takes weeks of iteration, prototypes, and a healthy dose of obsession. Step 3. Component selection. The art of balance. If the chassis is the skeleton, the components are the organs, but not just any parts will do. Mini PCs rely on highly specialized hardware. Mini ITX motherboard 17 by 17 cm, low-power CPUs like Intel T-Series or AMD Ryzen U series. Laptop-grade SODIMM RAM, M.2 SSDs, which save space by plugging directly into the motherboard, and SFX power supplies. Compact yet efficient.
Some high-end mini PCs even pack dedicated graphics cards into their tiny frames. Yes, modern mini PCs can handle 4K gaming, AI workloads, or video editing, all from a box you can fit in your backpack. Step 4. Case manufacturing. Armoring the core. A mini PC's case isn't just a shell, it's a heatsink, a shield, and a design statement. Manufacturers use CNC milling to carve aluminum or steel with surgical precision. Surface treatments like anodizing, sandblasting, or powder coating give it durability and aesthetic appeal. Many high-performance mini PCs rely on passive cooling, where the metal case itself dissipates heat, meaning the structure isn't just cosmetic, it's functional engineering. Step 5. Assembly precision in every screw. Now comes the hands-on part: assembly. Technicians operate in static-free environments. They carefully install the CPU, apply thermal paste, secure RAM and storage, and position fans to optimize airflow. And a mini PC, there's no extra space. Every cable must be routed with care. A 1mm misalignment could block a fan or prevent the case from closing. Assembly takes around 30 to 45 minutes per unit, and much of it still requires a human touch. Step 6. Testing, trial by fire and heat. Once assembled, every mini PC undergoes rigorous quality control. Stress tests like 3DMARK push the CPU and GPU to their limits for hours. Thermal cameras check for hotspots, software diagnostics monitor voltage, fan speed, and boot stability. If even one sensor shows abnormal readings, the unit is rejected. In such a small machine, there's zero tolerance for thermal mistakes. Step 7. Packaging and distribution, ready for the world. After passing every test, the mini PC is carefully packaged, often using recyclable materials. Some companies include impact sensors in shipping boxes to monitor for drops. From assembly lines in Taiwan, China, or Vietnam, these compact computers are shipped worldwide. They land in offices, classrooms, studios, even spaceships. Yes, NASA uses mini PCs on board for certain control systems. Closing tiny but never small, a mini PC may look humble, but it's a symbol of modern engineering's finest qualities: efficiency, precision, and elegance. In a world that's getting faster, smaller, and smarter, mini PCs remind us that power doesn't always need to shout, it can whisper from under your monitor. So next time you plug in that tiny box on your desk, remember, it's not just a machine. It's a marvel of design, invention, and countless invisible hands behind the scenes.